Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna kebab. Preheat a grill or skillet to medium-high and oil the surface to prevent sticking. Combine drained tuna with egg, breadcrumbs, chopped herbs, and spices, then form into compact patties on skewers. Chill briefly so they hold shape. Cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden and cooked through. Serve with lemon wedges and a fresh yogurt or tahini sauce for brightness. Start by draining the tuna well and patting it dry to avoid soggy kebabs. In a bowl, mix tuna with 1 egg, breadcrumbs, and a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Add diced onion, chopped parsley, lemon zest, and a little chili for warmth. Taste and adjust seasoning before shaping. Form kebabs tightly on skewers or as small patties, then chill for stability so they hold together during cooking. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tasty recipes. Quick recommendation: I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that really changes how you think about money and priorities, and it pairs nicely with simple cooking habits. Check the description below for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a cooking method that suits your kitchen. Grill for char, skillet for control, or oven broil for convenience. Brush kebabs with oil and cook 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden and just set in the center. Avoid overcooking to keep the tuna moist and tender. If using a grill, watch for flare-ups and move kebabs as needed. Let them rest briefly so juices redistribute before serving with sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.